Welcome to CB99 Videos. Please subscribe. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to tell you how to make falafel soup with an Instant Pot. One of the main ingredients you're going to need are chickpeas, 1 pound of them. These we soak in water for at least 5 hours with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we add them to the Instant Pot after draining and rinsing them. It doesn't actually matter which order you put the ingredients into the Instant Pot before you start cooking. So let's start with some chopped onions, 1 whole onion chopped. Now this is optional, but I add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary and fresh oregano. Then 10 ounces of fresh mushrooms, sliced. And next I take 3 or 4 carrots and slice them up and add them to the Instant Pot. Next, I chop up 2 jalapenos, some ginger, and about a head of garlic, and add that to the Instant Pot. I add just about 4 cups of liquid. Here I'm using some pickle juice because I had it on hand. You can use water or any other liquid or broth that you'd like to add. Now I'm actually going to turn the Instant Pot on to saute just to warm things up as I'm putting them in. I still have more ingredients to add, like the juice of 2 lemons. Here's what the mixture looks like as it starts to heat up. You can see that jalapeno, the garlic, and all the rest of the ingredients I have put in so far. Next, I add a good dollop of mustard, spicy brown, at least a tablespoon. Now I'm going to add some spices, ground cumin. I'm going to add at least 2 tablespoons of the ground cumin to the mixture in the Instant Pot. Add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. This is my homemade curry powder. I have a video in Carla's Kitchen playlist about how to make your own curry powder. Next, I add a big bunch of chopped parsley and a big bunch of chopped cilantro to the Instant Pot. I'm going to add another cup of water for good measure. Now I grind in black peppercorns to taste. Next, I take whole coriander seeds. I put these in the coffee grinder attachment of my blender. I grind these up to a fine powder and add at least 2 tablespoons to my Instant Pot mixture. Fresh ground coriander and cumin are 2 key ingredients that give the falafel soup that falafel flavor. I'm going to chop in 1 more onion because I have room in the mixture for it. I'll add that to the Instant Pot too. I'm going to take a wooden spoon and stir up the entire mixture just to make sure it gets uniformly mixed. So then I'm going to press the soup broth button. You can choose any button you want on your Instant Pot. This one will cook it for 24 minutes at normal heat and high pressure. I think it should cook for at least 20 minutes. So whatever settings you want that will get you there, you should take. When it's all done cooking, I add 1 or 2 pounds of frozen peas to the mixture. When the cooking is done, I use my immersion blender to go through all of the liquid in the Instant Pot and make it more uniformly whatever consistency I prefer for my soup. Now you're done. You're ready to serve and eat your falafel soup. Thanks for watching this Carla's Kitchen video, brought to you by CB99 Videos. Please subscribe to CB99 Videos. Thanks so much.